Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna fix the Snapchat security restriction issue. That will be security restriction, please try again from this device after 72 hours. So how you can fix this? It's pretty simple. Let's get started. So you guys have to just simply open up your Play Store application or App Store in the iPhone. So after opening up Play Store, here you guys have to simply search for Snapchat and update the Snapchat application. You guys can see I have no updates, so I have updated version of Snapchat. Then the next step is you guys have to simply open up Snapchat application. So after opening up Snapchat application, you guys have to simply tap on the top left of your profile, and here you guys have to simply tap on the top right of settings. And in the settings, you guys have to simply tap on password, and here you guys have to simply set a new password by tapping the previous password and change the new password. So after changing the password of your Snapchat application, now you guys have to simply go down. After swiping up, you guys have to simply go to delete your account. Whenever you delete your account, you will not face any issue and your account will be deleted smoothly. So in this way you guys can bypass this error issue when you want to delete Snapchat account. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.